Today I'm driving a totally over-the-top, really well-built Superformance Cobra. All these cars start out the same as really nice Superformance Cobras, but the difference between the okay ones and the really nice ones comes down to what components were used to build them and who built them. This car was built by, in my opinion, one of the best builders out there, Olthoff, which they're located in North Carolina. Like Superformance, Olthoff is from South Africa, where the Superformance was built, and was developed originally. And they were instrumental in the development of the Cobra. And of all the cars I've driven, of all the Superformance cars, they have the best feeling, tightest, most dialed in cars, in my opinion. And you know, they really should, looking at, you know, who they are and how they help develop the cars. This car is just so tight, so nice, extremely fast, very well balanced. The steering, the suspension, everything about the car is dialed in to the max. One of my favorite things about it is the engine. The engine is a 427 Pond block built by Southern Motors. These guys are known for building God, it pulls. Sorry, I interrupted myself. Southern Motors is known for building really badass Ford engines. Again, it's a 427 Pond block. It's aluminum, so very lightweight. And it's stroked to over 480 cubic inches. I think it's 482 cubic inches, to be exact. And freaking gobs of torque. It runs 2 carbs, really sweet, extra clean looking setup. And it has a Tremec TKO600 transmission. The car runs, just blows the rear tires off. Wonderful. The car runs the classic Goodyear tires, which I think are the best looking setup to run on these cars. Big, fat, meaty tires. They're nice and sticky. This car is set up with the standard, super clean interior, very classic Smith's gauges, leather seats. It has harnesses. It also is set up with a heater. As you can see, I'm wearing this clown boy hat today because it is cold. But yeah, buddy. With the little wings here on the edges of the window and my heater going, and of course my handy hat. It's about 45, but I'm feeling pretty good. The engine kicks off a considerable amount of heat as well, so we'll call it a wash. Again, one of the strong points on this car is the brakes and the suspension. They are really dialed in. Extra strong brakes, wonderful engagement, excellent feel. You always know where you are on the brakes. I'll slam on them real quick. Car stops nice, straight. The alignment on the car is also wonderful. It does not pull. It whips through turns. The steering wheel is perfectly centered. It's very nice. And again, like I said, the setup on this car is wonderful. There's no weird bump steer. There's nothing. You can just hop in this thing and drive. And it's got big balls. hooks up nice. Took that turn probably a little faster than the authorities would have liked, but the car's got gobs of grip. Feels very, very stable in the corners. Obviously, it's a car that can get loose on you pretty quickly if you overdrive it, but this one's nice and planted. It feels very, very sticky. And unlike a lot of Cobras, I'd say confidence inspiring. The car is geared to go very, very fast. I'm going 50. I'm in third gear. It also drives very well at a lower RPM. Now I'm going 50. I'm in fourth gear. Still pulls nicely from about 2,000 RPM. Doesn't sputter, doesn't do anything. It just freaking rips. So if you're looking for a Cobra that's truly built well with top-notch components, please check out the pictures and all the specs. We've got all the specs from the engine detailed and all the specs from the build. This one's built with very, very nice, very high quality components. And you won't be disappointed.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.